This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple game in Scratch. First, let's get started by opening the Scratch editor, which is available online or as a desktop app. Take a moment to explore the interface. You'll see the stage where your game plays, the sprite area for your characters, and the code block palette on the left. Understanding these three main sections is your first step to creating something amazing. Now let's make your player move. Select a sprite for your main character, perhaps a cat or a person. We'll use when key pressed event blocks to tell the sprite what to do. For example, when the right arrow is pressed, use change X by 10 to move right. Similarly, use change Y by 10 for up and negative values for left and down. This gives your player full control. Next, let's add some interactive elements to your game. You can create new sprites for items to collect, like coins, or obstacles to avoid, such as monsters. Use the if touching block to detect when your player sprite makes contact with these elements. For instance, if touching a coin, increase a score variable by 1. If touching an obstacle, you might broadcast a game over message. Finally, let's refine your game with some essential logic and polish. Create a starting screen to introduce your game and an ending screen for when the game concludes. Add engaging sound effects for actions and background music to set the mood. Spend time testing your game to catch any bugs or glitches. Once it's perfect, share your creation with others and celebrate your first Scratch game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.